Okay, here's a schematic of my front master cylinder, and I believe it is that O-ring right there. And that O-ring slips over top of this piston here, and it keeps the oil from getting past. This is where the oil was coming out, so I'm pretty sure that'll fix my problem. And everything else I've cleaned. There's no damage on any of the other parts. Everything looks good, so we'll see how this works once I get it all back together. Got my O-ring that I needed for my little piston inside my front brake master cylinder. This is the O-ring that was on there. Doesn't appear to be anything wrong with it, but I may have shrunk a little bit or something over time. Oil was getting by it. So I got one that's slightly larger. I'm hoping it isn't too large, but I think once it gets squeezed in there, it'll seal everything a little bit better. If not, I'll have to take it apart for a third time, but I'm counting on this doing the trick. So, here's the master cylinder. We're going to have to put that in a vise, and I'll show you how we have to put all this together. Piston goes in there with a few other parts I'll show you. Okay, got her tidied up now. put new ends on, and I cut some lines the appropriate length. Move the flasher, and everything seems to be a lot more in order now, and there's no bare parts sticking out. So I think that should be a lot better. Now I have to replace my negative for my battery. I noticed it was broken. And then we'll start working on the PCV valve. Anyway, there's my electrical rewiring job for now. I may tweak it a little bit still and maybe try and make some type of cover for that. Battery's back in, everything is working, all my lights work, dashboard lights all work. And I ordered a new compensator sprocket. And I'm going to inspect my clutch plates, which I felt them slipping a little bit, so I think I'll replace those because I think the tensioner is on the tightest setting already. So that's the old bike. She's all ready to go until I get my compensator sprocket. And I've got an extra tooth in it I ordered, so I'm going to change my gear ratio a little bit. Try and bring my RPMs down. It's only a 4-speed transmission in this, so